We're off. We're going to Kyoto. You ready?
I'm ready.
We're leaving Japan, Tokyo.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're at track number 4 waiting to get on this train to the downtown Tokyo so we can catch the fast train to Kyoto. Yay!
Good morning.
Good morning. Ready to go?
Yeah.
We're in carriage 12 today. We have a reserved seat to Kyoto. Waiting for the gates to open. We successfully made it on the train again.
Yes, we did.
It wasn't that difficult, was it? No, actually I thought it'd be a little more complicated. But it's been really easy to use these trains. Yeah, very convenient.
Oh yeah, the Japanese are very thorough about giving you instructions everywhere.
So it's been easier to find everything, so it's really nice. Really nice. I'm enjoying this JR pass. So tell me, what kind of coffee did you buy?
Chili's coffee, Barista's black, and I got the professional quality version.
How much did it cost you to buy this bottle of coffee at the Tokyo station? $1.50? Wow, that's a good price. $1.50, and it was super hot when you got it.
It was super duper hot.
Ooh, we're up to 177 miles per hour. Ooh, I think we'll go faster.
On a curve right now.
This is the Kyoto station. It's much different than the Tokyo station. Looks like it's just brighter. We made it to Kyoto, and there's the hop-on, hop-off bus right next to the train station. This is a huge station. We're on our way to the Park Hyatt for one night because it was 45,000 points, which is crazy. Crazy. How's your welcome drink?
My sake is very nice. Very nice.
I got white wine with some pecans that are spicy.
Spicy.
We're at room 506 in the Park Hyatt in Kyoto. Let's see the room. Ooh. Wow. This looks fancy. We have a nice seating area and a big bed. And we got upgraded to the terrace because we're globalist. Wow. That's really pretty. I love having seating areas. Oh, they brought our luggage already. Yay. And it looks like we got some grapes. Nice. Let's look at the bathroom. Double sinks. Beautiful. Oh, there's the toilet. Traditional Japanese. A big bathtub with a rain shower. and 2 robes.
You have your own private garden.
I have my own private garden. This is really pretty. Here in Kyoto,
We are.
the Old Town area.
Looks like Kyoto.
It does. It's beautiful here. I'm so glad we stayed there because it was like right outside of the door.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wagyu is less than the Kobe beef.
They're known for the Kobe beef here. We're going there on Thursday. There's so much here. There's just so much stuff. You need that. You probably do need that. You don't want a Hello Kitty?
No. Hello, puppy.
Hello, puppy. Hold on, I can't drink and walk.
Need a fan.
Need a fan.
Right here.
I'm gonna move to the other side. I think that's what we're gonna go see. This place is really.
Stamping books. I guess it's a religious thing, probably.
I don't know. Okay.
You're saying you've been to that shrine or something?
Oh,
I don't know.
maybe.
I'm guessing here. A lot of things going on here.
There's so much going on here. So many people here. More fans. Tea ice cream. We made it to the temple.
Here we are in front of the temple.
We made it to the top of the hill.
Yes, we did. It's beautiful.
And the temple is up here. Look at that. In Kyoto.
Beautiful day. Flip it around, honey. Show them
Look at this
the
place.
top of the hill.
So busy here. There's the temples. I don't know. That's so pretty.
There. Hey, sweetie, where we at?
At the temple, you're very quiet.
One of the many temples.
Yes. Maybe.
to the ticket office, so I get the feeling it's
用手机给你拍2张。
Beautiful sunset in Kyoto.
Yep.
It's gorgeous here. This is why you stay at the Park Hyatt in Kyoto, because you're right here. Look at this view.
You can take some of the woods over there. They're pretty.
Here I am. Look at that. That's Kyoto. Old Town.
The market.
So pretty.
Streets.
We walked up there. And there's the temple. All the lights are coming on. I don't need any stuff though, unfortunately. It won't fit in my luggage.
Oh, really? You have a little samurai sword.
No.
Umbrella.
I don't think it will fit on your luggage. I don't think you get past security either. TSA will say no. I got a cinnamon sugar candy apple. She's gonna chop it up for me. $7.90. Ooh. Tim found the robe.
Going Japanese.
That's gorgeous.
Mm-hmm. It's quite the view. You are on the top of the mountain. Hi, sweetie. Have fun. Okay. There's the dining room, and over here is the bar, and then that's the view.
Hey, French toast. And what's left of my eggs Benedict.
That's good. Orange juice. Shrimp.